Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So first of all, we need to just go to search bar and type your task manager, and here it is. Click on it. Once we are here, we need to click on run new task. You'll get this option here on the top side and middle of this area. Then click on browse button. Now go to this PC and then open C drive. Now open Windows folder. You will get this folder in the last. Just scroll down and open it, and again just scroll down little bit and you will get this system32 folder. So double click on it to open it, and again keep scrolling down. Also in the system32 folder, you just select any folder and press C. Keep pressing C until you get this file cmd.exe. Just select it and click on open. Now check this box, so it will create this task with administrative privileges, and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to close the background windows and we will focus on this window. So we have to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. First of all, type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter to execute this command. So we need to restart the computer in order to complete the reset, but before that we will execute some methods and commands also. So type in netsh intip reset space reset log.txt and hit enter. So again it will say they restart the computer to complete this action. So type exit, and before the restartation process, just go to device manager and click here to open it, and then expand the network adapters. Right click on the particular device, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. You can also select the first option also. If this does not work, then use second option. Click here, select the model and click on next. Once done, close all windows one by one, and again open run by right click on this start icon, select run and type here services.msc and hit enter. So it will open services window and find out WLAN. Okay, keep scrolling down and here it is, WLAN autoconfig. So right click on it, select properties, and make sure we have to select the startup type as automatic. Then click on apply, start the process and click on OK. Again do the same process for the Windows update. So here it is. Right click on it, select properties, set startup type as automatic and start the process. Now restart the system. You can also check out the pinned comment to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a great option to fix this issue. And don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.